Game here, and today we're going to be playing Teardown. And this is actually my first time playing this game. This is my first time playing this game. Yeah. This is my first time playing Teardown. I think let's just hop in. Hey, go back and breathe. You just phased through the trees, good sir. You just casually broke the laws of physics there. This is me. Walk home. I wouldn't exactly call this home. Well, now I can drag stuff. I'm strong. I'm a strong guy. Leaning tower of boxes. I'm gonna just close the door. Whoa. Nice car. So, got the sledgehammer, spray can, and extinguisher now. Got an upstairs flashlight. Elevator. Really slow elevator. What's up here? Stuff. This is where I sleep. Man. My financial condition is not good. Stitch. Guess this is my bathroom. Needs fuse. Oh, smash it. Smash it. Fuse. Timber. I don't think that good. Yeah, that ain't good. Probably. Maybe. I don't know. Shit. Train. Train. Parkour. No wonder I'm so poor. Man, I apparently didn't have the money to. I didn't have the money to get a proper sleeping spot or a proper house, but I did have the money to have a TV, paintings, a rug. Ah. Hello, Tracy. How you doing? Oh. Oh, it's our mother. Mother, how are you doing? Gordon Wu. Knocking over an old building. Alright, we need money. Money. We need some money. We need to fix this dump. No way. I'm done with this dump. Sign. Apparently we never learned how to read. Oh no, we did. Folk museum. That ain't no museum, but they'll never know. They will never know. Under the cover of darkness. Ah. They do it under the cover of darkness. Propane. Or something. First thing that came to mind. Yep, it's propane. A new stove. And we can use this. Like, if we can like use this, you know, load it up into the back of the van. I've been like eating uncooked food. I'm hungry. Now I'm under cover of darkness. The fridge too. I just walked up. I'm not even a demolition person anymore. Now I'm just robbing them other appliances. I'm just robbing them of their appliances, but yes. Explosives. I have explosives. Trusting in this power. Well, someone who's played war games, explosions are very nice. You know what? This entire thing is about to be like completely chopped in half. Protected cultural heritage. Oh well. Add that to our crime. Get some crime. And property damage. Okay. Crane. Lots of propane. Where have you been all my life? Honey, I'm home. Honey? Ah, you were abducted by aliens again. Yeah. Come on. You get to the corner. You get that corner. Get this corner. Doggies. professional definition. Although I need one more to tie them all together. I have an idea. Chain reaction idea. But, anyways. When it comes to Teardown, as you can already tell, the entire premise of this game is that you're a demolitionist. And just... But my brother, Kendall, probably more likely refer to this as Blow Everything Up Simulator. Because it basically is that too. And I missed. Come on. I'ma blow this place up. Come on. Hey, it's on fire. I like that. Just let the house burn for a bit. Imagine being in that apartment up there and like you just look down to see just a guy hauling, and you see a nearby heritage site and it's just some guy is down there putting propane tanks and just blowing the building up, literally blowing the entire building up. Am I? It just looked like an explosion to the face, and I was just like, no wonder I'm a demolitionist. Because I can just take full-on explosions to the face and just feel nothing. Like the fire physics. Ooh. Trying to take me down. Well, actually not turning it. Still too tall? Come on. Alright, that's enough. No more. Hurting him down. I think this is enough to say. So, there is something. I don't know what I'm gonna set the tree on fire. Oh. Should go down with it. I know morning's coming. Just hide my kites. You know, there's really nowhere to hide my kites. Well, the chimney appears to be in the way, so more propane. It's time to blow one more thing up. Kaboom. I wish I hired you. It'd be so much fun. Yeah, but there we are. I'm out of here. Along with your fridge and your stove. There it is in all its blazing glory. Five more minutes. Come on. How did you survive the hit from a sledgehammer? Everything else didn't. Whoa, no wonder I'm so strong. I've been working out. Okay, that's really stiff. I shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. The building was under cultural heritage protection, and demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Mrs. Termadine at the police just sent me this photo. They must have caught you on a traffic camera heading towards the mall. The very last thing we need right now is investigation. I tried sweet-talking her, and she thought she could get the case dropped, but asked for a favor in return. I don't know what she wants, but just do it. She'll email you directly. Parsa! Hello. Just so you know, I don't usually do this. If I'm stuck in a case and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, but he has so many friends in town that I can't get a warrant. How about you use your skills to borrow the computers over at Lee Chemicals so that I can finally access his customer registry and sort of this mess out. If you do this for me, I'll make sure your little blunder will be forgotten. Really shady, but how about we just keep adding more crimes to our criminal acts? It's more like this might actually make it more likely for us to start more crimes than fixing the one we've already committed. Pay your taxes, pizza. Or some guys with a sledgehammer is going to break into your... He's going to come in and take your computer. Found more propane. Have all the propane. What's the map? Here. Yeah. Oh, no. That works. Oh, yeah. They totally won't notice the difference. I'm guessing the door is locked, but unlike a normal person, I'm not going to go in that way. If I'm going to make this job at least worth it. A bit more worth it than this, really. Ow! Ow! Ow, that hurts. Ah. Pain. This thing on a daily. Oh. I'm guessing this is us now. That computer. Let's go. Skip. I wonder why they literally don't have any kind of security. Pretty sure I'm on the loops. There's been the chemical and the precipitator cause property damage. Oh, come on. I did not do that. Customer registry indicates that Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client only referred to as BT, no further details, so I really have to bother you with one more favor. Head back to Lee Chemicals and fetch their employee's logging device. They should be able to cross-reference their log files with the delivery schedule to figure out where they're moving the project and what BT means. I heard they're installing a new security system. Be careful. $45. That's all. Alright, we're back. Yeah. I don't know. Appears they were finally smart enough to actually lock the gates, but they still decided not to hire security, as far as I know. Man, they're lazy. Expired alarm boxes. Ah. That complicates things. That very, very much complicates things. Open this gate. One way forward. I think I know how to open the gate. It's time to revisit my old friend Propane. Yeah. Let's get over this shit, shall I'm confused. That's a problem. I gotta plan my hit already. Grab that. I run. Well, if it's gonna work how I think it will, from what I know, then I should probably grab that. Is there like I go over here, get that. Did I just pick up some like guys random? I don't know. Where's the last one? It's over here. Ow! Okay, so I'm not as immune to explosives as I thought I was. Let's restart the mission, shall we? Ow. That hurt. Alright, let's get prepared. Yeah, open up. First of all, open up. And bing. Hello. This window. survived this fall. Yes. Alright, everybody. I hope this works. Especially first time. Let's go! Well, back to base. Ooh, I'm trying to fix this car up. A little, at least. I think. I don't know. Ooh. Blowtorch! Yeah! Place looks a little cleaner actually than when last I saw it. Come on, that wasn't what I destroyed. I blew it up. You need coffee. Turn out the gas, I can't make proper coffee. We really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing's sorted. Oh, apparently she's our head of sales. Lockdown service. Marina too small. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police are snooping around a little, but it seems they to have cooled off now. We can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina, and the board says there's still space for a new dock. Seems pretty shady. Good sir. Could use your demolition skills again and remove one of the timeshare cabins if the original documentation also disappeared. Then ta-da! Like it was never even there. Shady. Everything about that mission, this new mission, is shady. Nothing about this one is not shady. But I think I'm going to do this one last mission and then end the video. But if you guys want to see more Teardown, then just let me know. I actually have really enjoyed this so far. Where is everything this time? Okay, so the cabin's there. And I'm guessing documents are there. Optional. Gotta go do that. Right through. Okay. Bye. How did I break the lights? Ooh. Everyone's hobby.
Oh, and I asked Tahina because I remembered how they were. I asked her, what about was what it depends, I guess, on summer temperature. Like if it's there's gas or whatever. But
Thanks. Yeah.
where ours is that's this house.
Use this. Hello. Come on. Eat. It's lighter, right? Yeah. It's a whole lot lighter. I wish I did this one first. Now time to go to long time check, yeah, but okay. This floor. I see. We burn it. Oh wait, here. Right. Yeah, fire alarm. You can't. Oh well. kidding me? Ah! I don't care, it is 0.4 mil. Ah! I'm not caring, it is 0.4 millimeters tall. Go! Picky, picky. That's what you are. Really, really picky. Finally. How much money have I made now? Oh, I'm fixing the roof. Finally. Improve the bathroom. Major. Fridge. I did take that fridge from. I could afford walls, but I couldn't afford a proper bed. A shotgun.
Bless you.
It's got a shotgun. Ooh, mystery shotgun.
Bless you.
The ghost. Oh. This phone we but according to our message from the West, please do 5 cabins. Search for all available records for no proof of this cabin can be found. What evidence seems to persist of a ghost cabin? Wow, it couldn't possibly be the debris in the ocean. Or the recent break-ins to the files, to the offices of the documents. Classic cards. Well, sadly, I'll have to end it for today. End this for today. Oosh. A quick upgrade to Go Touch. But sadly, I'll have to end this for today. But see you next time. I'll see you next time. If there's one.